welcome back, and I am going to be washing my Stitch squishy with you. And I just got this. Don't mind the stuff in the background, but I'm going to be washing this with y'all, and it's pretty dirty, and I just got it earlier today. So we're gonna put some soap on it. We got some soap, and then I'm just gonna put it on my hands first. I'm gonna put it all on the Stitch. Okay, I'm gonna feel bad after this because look at that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up. Do this with water. And then doing this. It is raining at all times. I'm tired of the rain actually. Kind of feel like okay, that's enough. Ignore that camera. Okay, we have here. It feels so bad. It sounds so bad. But we gotta get it real washed because I just got this. Okay. Why do I use like so much soap for everything? Ew. Okay, I think we're enough covered in soap. We're just gonna in the water. First I'm gonna focus on my hands. Or I should focus on Stitch. I don't know why I keep saying Axolotl. Like Stitch reminds me of Axolotl. Okay, here. I'll wet it down with the water, clear water. And it is wet. We're just gonna dry it off. Okay. And we are all done. Sorry that I have not been posting for a while. First of all, I've been at Wild Adventures. Don't mind if I'm talking a little bit softly. But I've been at Wild Adventures. I've been grounded. So, yeah. Trust me, it's not fun to be grounded because now I can't post on here. But it's all done. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this with this squishy. This is not a Nita, so yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace.